Hey yo, what's up, no namers? Today, I've been very confused, like for like the last month. There's like people are saying that like Ninja Legends copied Saber Simulator, and then like my friends is saying that Saber Simulator copied Ninja Legends, and like these two games are like very similar. I'm just gonna play Ninja Legends right now. They're both simulators, if you don't know, and I'm doing like free codes for both of them. I already did one for Saber Simulator, and the Ninja Legends one is gonna be coming out soon. And like I think this is like my second time using my voice. Okay, yeah, I know how to play. So basically, in this game, you're like just like ring like hitting your stick, and then you get ninjutsu, which you need to sell at the sell right here, and then afterwards, you could buy and you go to the shop and buy something, but like that's like basically all there. Like I know there's like islands and like stuff, so there's this electric bamboo which I'm gonna get right now. But anyways, it's like there's like a lot of things. Like there's this island right up here or something. And there's like all like mini like I'm not sure, but like there's like double jumps. There's double jumps. Look at like this. There's double jump. Wow. What the heck is happening? Okay, good. Okay, I thought let me just sell it. 30 coins. Boom. So yeah, this is it for like a Saber Simulator. Now, no, I mean Ninja Legends. They're just like so similar. This is why like I want to find out like which one is which. So, anyways, let's go to Saber Simulator now. How to play. Train your inner. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Made by HD Games. So this game has 154 million visits, and like they've been like doing like a bunch of updates. To be honest, I like Saber Simulator way better than Ninja Legends. But like Saber Simulator took like so long to load, especially on mobile. So basically, Saber Simulator, like it's just like Ninja Legends, but with a saber. So there's like not that much difference between them. I need to like do the loading screen here. Although I really like the loading screen, it's very cool. I played it like before, but like for me, like Saber Simulator is very glitchy on this thing. Although it's like okay, I guess. So basically in Saber Simulator, there's also double jump. I think they just added it. There's boss fights. There is islands, and there's also and there's all I know. I'm sorry, there's it's very glitchy, but there's also King of the Hill and islands and like other stuff. So basically, it's basically the same. But like, I'm not like I don't know like which one copied which. So today we'll find out together. So basically, game like Saber Simulator is very glitchy on my device, which is like a very old phone. But anyway, so welcome to Saber Simulator. Yeah, blah blah blah. Yeah, skip that. So it has 88% vote. Created September 6th. Okay, September 6th. You remember that? Now let's go to Ninja Legends. September 2022. Okay, so basically, Ninja Legends copied Saber Simulator. Well, I guess like that's actually pretty true. There was like nothing else here. Like it doesn't even give like New Island. Can you pass the movie? It seems like it's like I feel like how should I say this? Like um sorry I'm using like so much time. I'm just gonna check out Scriptonian Studios. So basically, Ninja Legends copied Saber Simulator. Scriptonian Studios by Script Bloxy. dual wield update, new here, blah blah blah. They also like created Muscle Legends and Legend of Speed. Okay, now I'm just gonna go to Scriptboxian. Ooh, oh, he's online right now. 12,000 followers, following Zero and have 0 friends. Creations. Lead developer of Scriptonia Studios currently running. Oh, that's cool, I guess. Isn't that free? Lead the. Oh, nothing that much. So he visited 0 places, and join date is. Oh, he joined July 28th. There's nothing that much here. So basically, what I'm figuring out right now is that they copied Saber Simulator. Leave like if you like a Saber Simulator. Dislike this video if you like Ninja Legends. I actually want to find out how many people like each. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video to be on part of the No Namers. And yeah, so bye. Have a good day.